bed and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige, and today we're going to be doing the Tidy 20. And I know some of you are probably thinking, what is the Tidy 20? Well, I made it up. This year I decided that it was just time that I just done a regrouping. And I thought that a lot of my routines needed to be changed because I felt really defeated because I was getting to the point where I couldn't complete some of the routines that I had set out for myself. So I decided to be really realistic with myself this year and to give myself more attainable goals. Instead of making some unrealistic list of things that I want to do in a day, I'm actually going to start doing a realistic one. So that is where the Tidy 20 all came about. To make things even easier, I decided to make a printable that you guys can have. It is a totally free printable. You can check the link down below in the description box. So if you want to start doing the Tidy 20 with me, you can definitely do that. Just follow the link to the printable to my website and you will be able to easily just check off the things on your list to do. So it's just taking 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening to get your house clean. I will still take one day out of the week to do more of a deeper clean, but because I'm taking the time every day to pretty much get the house in order, when it comes time for that day to do my deep clean, I'm not really stressing over it and I don't have that much to do. So definitely make sure to check the description box down below, and if you decide to do one of these Tidy 20 videos, definitely let me know because I would love to watch it. Every morning and every evening I have the same exact routine. Sometimes things just happen and that's life. So just in case I wasn't able to complete something maybe the night before, I can definitely get my life together the next day. And it just makes me feel really good because it's like, okay, Paige, you get a second chance. Let's try this again. So it's definitely been really helpful. So if you want to see my list of everything, like I said, make sure to check out that printable because I made sure to include everything. And one important thing about the Tidy 20 is that most of the time, if you're on it like you should be, it's not going to take you 20 minutes to do those things. So you have that leftover time. And what I've decided to do with that leftover time is to pick a room. And when you pick that room, you want to go more in depth. So on this day in particular, I decided that I wanted to go into our guest bathroom and give it more of a better clean. So I'm going to clean the mirror, I'm going to clean off the countertop, and I'm also going to clean the toilet. This is just going to make my life so much easier when my deep clean day comes and I don't have as much work to do because I've decided to take those extra minutes to clean up more of my house. This literally took maybe 5 or 6 minutes to do all of this. So when you really set a timer and you are managing your time well, it is crazy what you are able to accomplish within a certain time when you're actually putting more thought into how you're spending your moments in your days. So that is my biggest tip this year, is going to be in managing your time. I know that's what I struggle with the most, so I definitely want to focus on that a lot more because I think a lot of other people also have the same struggle as I do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for future videos. I want to do some more Tidy 20 videos on this channel if that's what you guys are interested in. So definitely comment down below and let me know. I can't wait to see your Tidy 20 videos going up. So I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
Listen to old songs and hear